Hi there, myself I am Vikas. Today I started a new YouTube channel. The name was Computer Vision Freelancer. And today we will try to answer major three questions. First one is why I started this YouTube channel. And second one is what you can expect from this YouTube channel. And third one is what was my qualification to create this YouTube channel and create this AI content. So let's dive into today's topics. The first question, why I started this channel. Myself, I am a computer vision developer. I'm currently, and also I'm a computer vision freelancer. I'm currently solving real world problems using AI. And I know how the AI was evolving. And I know the power of AI. So the potential growth of AI. And also I felt I'm creating a custom solutions for industries to solve a real world problems. I felt this YouTube will act as a bridge to demonstrate my solution to the world. And also, I am learning so much knowledge in this field. So why don't I create a videos which makes complex concepts in the field of AI into in simple manner. And everyone, if anyone in future want to learn AI, I can directly come to this channel and watch the videos. They can learn easily because I saw that there is potential growth for this field in future. So, and also it will help for me to develop as a freelancer. What you can expect from this channel? The equation is simple. You can expect interesting projects from beginner to advanced level, and also you can expect the real-time implementation, live implementation of the projects, and you will get the concept how to implement, how to use that concept to create a new project. That is what you will get. And also you can get extraordinary explanation of concepts, complex concepts in the AI. I will make that complex concepts into small pieces and I will explain it for you. And also you can get latest recent famous papers. I will explain the paper how they come from scratch to the current state, and also I will implement the paper in code. So you can compare theory and code together. That was the crazy thing. And also I will do crazy experiments. I will train model with different types of data, and I will compare with different types of model, and also I will compare different types of algorithms, and I will find pros and cons of the algorithm in certain situations. So these type of content you can find, and you can find latest advancements in the field of AI. So these type of contents you can find in our channel. Coming to third question, what was my qualification to create this content? I'm not a PhD holder in the field of AI, and I'm not an engineer from IITs. My background was electronic communication, and it was started nearly 3 years back when I started learning AI. I felt it was very interesting, and also I felt it was my thing. And till now I have very passionate towards the field of AI. That was the one reason. And also the second reason was I'm a lifelong learner. I can learn from many sources. I can learn from books, I can learn from blogs, internet, and also I will update myself continuously. I will not stop learning because that was my thing. I'm a lifelong learner. So that was second reason. And also the main important reason was I have this skill that I can learn anything from scratch, and I understood how it evolved from nothing to something. And I will use that knowledge and create a new thing. So that was my skill. So I felt these three reasons are enough to create a content in the YouTube. Thank you for watching this video. Please click subscribe button because in future you will notify when I will upload a new videos in this YouTube channel. Do not miss the content. Thank you for watching.